That's how they dry off. Just cute he is. Andy, wanna go swimming again? Wanna go swimming again? Let's go swimming. Dabba dabba doobie. The dabba dabba doobie. Here, spread the towel out, Lex. Oh yeah, got some good rubbing now. Got some good rubbing now going on.
Well,
yeah, call the number. She'll answer it. I think she left to eat. There's Alexis in her sexy bathing suit. Oh, he likes it all spread out like that. Come on, Abby. Get dry, Abby. Hey, Wobie. Aunt Wobie.
from the neck up, I hope.
Yeah, from the neck up, see?
Andy's gonna like this one.
Put it over here.
Andy.
They're done.
That's one.